Welcome, today in front of me Google Pixel 6 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first just press with your finger on the application for a while and drag it to another application by this way. As can you see right now, you got here the new folder Google. For example, we want to add one more application to this folder by the same way. If you want to rename the folder, just type here on the name and for example type here the apps, confirm, and now we just change the name of your folder. If you want, you can remove this folder here on the screen or between the screens, that doesn't matter. You can turn it back here. Now if you want to just remove the application from the folder, just press for a second and move it here, for example to your main screen by this way. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.